In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to center objects in Inkscape quickly and precisely. Centering objects is one of the most common tasks when you're designing logos, icons, layouts, thumbnails, or any type of vector graphic. If you try to do it manually by dragging things around, it's almost impossible to get perfect alignment. Luckily, Inkscape has a built-in alignment tool that lets you center objects perfectly in just a couple of clicks. I'll walk you through how to center an object on the page, how to center objects relative to each other, and how to make sure everything is perfectly aligned every time. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Inkscape tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. The first step is to open the Align and Distribute panel. This is the tool that controls alignment inside Inkscape. The fastest way to open it is by using the keyboard shortcut Shift plus Control plus A. As soon as you press Shift, Control, and A together, the Align and Distribute panel will appear on the right side of your screen. If you prefer using the menu instead of shortcuts, you can also open it from the top menu. Just go to Object in the top navigation bar, then click Align and Distribute. This will open the exact same panel. This panel is where all alignment and spacing tools live in Inkscape, and once you get familiar with it, it becomes one of the most useful panels in the entire program. Before you start aligning anything, make sure the object you want to center is selected. Simply click on your shape, text, or graphic so that the selection handles appear around it. Now you're ready to control how it aligns. Next, we need to choose what the object should align relative to. In the Align and Distribute panel, look for the drop-down menu labeled Relative to. This setting tells Inkscape what reference point you want to use when aligning objects. If you want to center your object on the canvas or document itself, select Page from this drop-down menu. Choosing Page means Inkscape will align your object relative to the entire document area. This is perfect when you're centering a logo, icon, or design in the middle of the page. Another useful option is Last Selected. This allows you to align one object relative to another object. For example, if you want to center a piece of text on top of a shape, you would first select the text, then hold Shift and select the shape so the shape becomes the last selected object. Then choose Last Selected from the Relative to dropdown. Now any alignment you apply will center the text relative to that shape. There is also a First Selected option, which works similarly but uses the first object you selected as the reference point. Understanding this dropdown is the key to getting perfect alignment in different design situations. Now that the reference point is set, we can actually center the object. In the Align and Distribute panel, you'll see a group of alignment icons. To center your object horizontally on the page, click the button labeled Center on Vertical Axis. The icon looks like a vertical line going through a rectangle. When you click it, the object will instantly move to the exact horizontal center of the page or reference object. Next, to center the object vertically, click the button labeled Center on Horizontal Axis. The icon looks like a horizontal line going through a rectangle. As soon as you click it, the object will move to the exact vertical center. If you use both of these buttons together, your object will be perfectly centered both horizontally and vertically. This is the fastest and most accurate way to center anything in Inkscape. A quick extra tip is that you can select multiple objects at the same time and center them together as a group. Just drag your mouse to select everything or hold Shift while clicking multiple items. Then use the same alignment buttons to center the entire group relative to the page or another object. This is extremely useful when working with icons, UI elements, or complex designs where multiple pieces need to stay aligned. And that's it. That's the easiest way to center objects in Inkscape using the Align and Distribute panel. Once you start using these alignment tools, you'll save a lot of time and your designs will look much more precise. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Inkscape tutorials and design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.